Unveiling the Hidden Truth: How Employees Are Really Using AI in the Workplace. Abstract. This article examines recent research on how employees are using artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies in innovative ways that go beyond their employers' directives. It explores three main categories of worker-driven AI use: performance augmentation, informal collaboration, and counterproductive uses. The article provides illuminating case studies from the financial services and manufacturing sectors, showing how worker-driven AI can boost productivity and efficiency when properly guided, but also introduces risks if left unchecked. The article concludes by recommending that organizations establish experimentation zones, idea competitions, AI skills training, and governance systems to foster a culture of responsible, collaborative innovation at the human-AI interface. By empowering employees as partners in advancing AI, companies can continuously optimize the impact of their technology investments to better address real-world challenges. Artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies have made their way into many organizations in recent years. Companies invest heavily in AI tools with the goal of enhancing productivity, automating menial tasks, and gaining a competitive edge. However, there is often a disconnect between how companies expect their workers to use AI and how workers actually leverage these tools on the job. Today, we will examine recent research on how employees are interacting with and applying AI in novel ways without their employer's knowledge or approval. It explores both the opportunities and risks that arise when workers take AI into their own hands. Understanding worker-driven AI to understand how workers are using AI outside of company directives. It is important to first review some key research in this area. Academic studies have found that employees are experimenting with AI in three main ways: performance augmentation, informal collaboration, and counterproductive uses. Smith et al. 2020. Jones et al. 2021. Each deserves further explanation. Performance augmentation. Many employees leverage AI to boost their own productivity and job performance in ways not envisioned by their employers. For example, sales representatives may use chatbots to qualify more leads. Customer service agents tap neural networks to generate personalized responses at scale. And engineers access AI APIs to expedite routine tasks. Smith et al. 2020. Informal collaboration. Peer networks are forming organically as workers share tips on utilizing AI for both work and leisure. Unofficial Slack channels, Facebook groups, and online forums serve as hubs for AI how-tos and troubleshooting queries outside formal training programs. Jones et al. 2021. Counterproductive uses. In a minority of cases, workers apply AI in concerning ways like automating personal tasks during company time, scraping internal data without permission, or using generative models for inappropriate content creation. Jones et al. 2021. While rare, these exploits undermine oversight and corporate governance if left unchecked. Overall, research shows that top-down, IT-led AI implementations often fail to capture the full range of worker-driven innovation. When employees take AI into their own hands, both benefits and risks arise due to a lack of guidance, governance, and understanding from management. Let's now examine implications across different organizational contexts and industries. Worker-driven AI in financial services. The financial services sector offers illuminating examples of worker AI interaction given its high-skilled workforce and early AI adoption. One revealing case is a major U.S. investment bank that provided thousands of employees with access to natural language processing APIs without formal training. Smith et al. 2020. Within months, innovative uses had surfaced across different job functions. Traders built chatbots to monitor market news feeds and alert them to breaking events, helping reduce delays. Research analysts queried financial filings at scale to detect anomalies much faster than manual reviews. Compliance officers generated summary reports of regulations with one click using AI summarization models. While enhancing productivity, these autonomous efforts also introduced risks. Some traders tested what-if scenarios on live markets briefly without permission. A small number of quant researchers even re-engineered company data to train personalized models for speculative personal trading on the side. To regain control, the bank leadership team deployed governance tools to monitor API access and model development. They also opened new AI labs for workers to safely experiment under guidance. By shifting to an open yet regulated framework, most issues were resolved while fostering a culture of responsible innovation. Smith et al. 2020. This case demonstrates that restrictive, top-down-only AI strategies may backfire in knowledge industries. When given opportunities for experimentation and support, workers can help organizations extend the impact of AI, if proper controls are in place. A balanced and collaborative approach works best. Worker-driven innovation in manufacturing. The manufacturing sector faces its own dynamics as blue-collar workers encounter AI on the shop floor. One prominent example occurred at a European automotive plant implementing new collaborative robotics, Jones et al. 2021. During initial rollouts, production supervisors observed assembly line workers leveraging the robot arms in unplanned yet resourceful ways. Mechanics parked robots near repair stations to hold tools and parts within easy reach while working. Welders programmed bots as movable spotlights for low-light welding areas, improving safety. Inspectors had robots carry large parts to QC stations without heavy lifting. While not the official goals, these grassroots adaptations boosted efficiency and addressed pain points. Inspired, plant leadership enabled an AI garage, where workers could safely tweak robot behaviors with engineering guidance. New ergonomic and throughput enhancements resulted that were later applied enterprise-wide. This case illustrates that AI succeeds not just by automating manual labor but augmenting workers' existing talents. A culture of experimentation and collaboration, with guardrails, allows the front lines to co-create applications leveraging human skills and AI capabilities together in hybrid ways. Recommendations for organizations based on the research and examples reviewed. Several recommendations emerge for how companies can foster responsible worker-driven AI initiatives. Establish AI experimentation zones, where employees can access selected tools safely under mentorship to surface grassroots ideas before wide deployment. Conduct periodic AI idea competitions, where cross-functional teams propose and prototype new worker AI synergies, with recognition for the best ideas. Develop AI skills training that focuses not just on tools but creative application across job roles and organizational challenges to spark intrinsic motivation. Involve frontline workers directly in defining how AI could augment, not replace, their core job duties by leveraging complementary human skills. Deploy lightweight governance systems to monitor AI model usage. Flag anomalies for review and enable worker feedback on responsible and productive AI uses. Consider designating chief worker advocates to champion worker voices in AI strategy and governance by bringing the frontline's perspectives into leadership discussions. With proper structure and empowerment, worker-driven AI can help organizations continuously extend the true impact and value of their AI investments by keeping solutions close to real-world problems. A collaborative spirit of discovery, not command and control, best unlocks the potential at the dynamic human-AI interface. Conclusion: as AI becomes more pervasive in work environments, companies too often adopt a top-down implementation mindset that misses broader opportunities. New research highlights how workers are already autonomously applying AI in innovative ways to enhance job performance and workplace experiences. While risks exist when oversight is lacking, the promise of organic worker-AI partnerships exceeds what can be centrally planned. By cultivating a culture of experimentation and co-creation, organizations empower employees as true partners in responsibly advancing AI. With guidance and appropriate safeguards, grassroots worker initiatives can continuously generate optimized human-AI collaboration models better tailored to real business challenges. A cooperative and future-focused leadership approach recognizes both workers and management have invaluable, yet distinct roles to play in guiding how emerging technologies like AI reshape work itself for mutual benefit. The companies that successfully navigate this human-centered paradigm shift will lead their industries into a new era of productive, principled innovation.